So one topic that keeps coming up across industries and region is something that Andrew has mentioned before is PFAS, or also known as the forever chemicals. And it's shifting fast from just awareness to action right now. So from the US side, what's driving PFAS actions most right now in regulation, customer pressure, or the internal risk management? What would you say, Andrew?
I would say it's a combination of regulation and then the internal risk management side of things. The EPA is shifting focus and increasing the pressure. Some states within the U.S. have enacted laws, placed bans, and are implementing reporting requirements as it relates to the PFAS and consumer goods. At the same time, organizations, I think, are evaluating brand protection, litigation exposure, and the long-term remediation cost. I mean, the cost to clean up some of these sites is going to be very expensive. I think you're also going to see some pressure coming from the insurance side of things. They're going to start applying that pressure as they look to transfer that risk for anything that they're carrying. I'm sure we're going to continue to hear more information on this as this important topic evolves and more groups take action. So, BJ, what do you think?
Yeah, PFAS is going to be a big part of our future. It's already well advanced, and there are what starting at about 4,700, and I've heard as high as 16 million different species of PFAS and PFOA. And I'll talk a little bit more about that later, but I agree with you. The primary driver are the regulations. That always gets everyone's attention. But customer pressure is secondary. I'll put it in a think of a car. The main engine is the regulatory pressure, and the accelerator is the customer pressure, and the steering wheel is the internal risk management. And if you don't have a steering wheel, things get expensive real fast because you just are everywhere. So think of it that way. You're going to be driven into this set of regulations. It's already started, and customer pressure is going to layer on responsibilities. And if you haven't got a board of directors that's giving you a steering wheel and guiding the process to some degree in terms of internal risk management, you're going to be chasing yourself around. So put together a plan and recognize that PFAS is here to stay. Hence forever chemicals.